Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Coco Styles, and on this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle and styling, guys. So today's video is going to be really quick. I wanted to show you ladies some accessories that I ordered, and one thing about me is I like to buy accessories from companies that a lot of people don't buy from, and I like really good quality. So you guys know nowadays trying to buy gold it's ridiculous. Like, the price has gone up so much, but we love gold, right? So these are from a company called, let me get the name right, Ben-Amun. I think that's how you say it, Ben-Amun. I'm gonna link it below. But I saw these earrings and this necklace, and I wanted to get it. And I wanted to show you guys, just in case you guys were looking for another company that has nice accessories. Now, it does take quite a while to come because they are custom made to order, okay? And they're made in New York, which is great. So here's the necklace. I'm just gonna show, this is gonna be a really quick video. So here's the necklace, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's the necklace. It's just a simple choker. Well, not really a choker. Let me see, let me put it on so you guys can see the length of it. Yeah, it's kind of like a choker, right? So that's the necklace. Super simple, right? I'll link the price and everything. And then along with the necklace, I purchased, listen, these coin earrings. And the coin earrings, oh my gosh, when I tell you I love these earrings, I'll show you my favorites. So here's the coin earrings. Oh my god, I need to move this camera so you guys are not like, let me move to the side and let's zoom in and let's try to get this light. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so bright in here. So pretty much it's a coin. I'm gonna come closer. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, there you go. So it's a coin at the bottom and a coin at the top. Now here's the good part. They are snap-ons, guys. They're snap-ons, which is great. And let me see if I can put it in because I already got an earring in my ear. I'm just gonna snap it at the top. It's really ghetto, but can you guys see? Yeah, it's just a snap-on, right? And they're about 2.5 inches wide, which I love. They're not heavy. And I was a little skeptical about it being a snap-on and not having the little piece. But they're actually really sturdy. They're not too tight on my ear. I don't know, and I like them a lot. Now here's my favorite. Here's my favorite. Let's take the necklace off. And the good thing about the necklace is, now buying these necklaces from like all these companies, it's not a super thick chain, but it's still very nice. The coin is nice. I'm gonna buy some more, and then it has like their little tag on it here, right? See a little tag, right? And here are my favorite earrings. Okay, let's put this stuff away. I'm tired, guys. Now, these are my favorite, okay? Oh my gosh. Like, when I saw these, I had to have them, guys. I haven't seen anybody with anything like this before. And that's me. I like different things. Can you guys see? Oh my god, please tell me you can see those. These are freaking awesome. And they're also snap-ons, guys. Let me see. I got these other earrings on, but I want to show y'all. Just look. Look at how those things look. They're lightweight. They're snapped on really good. They're just extremely pretty. Now, I will say this. They're not cheap. For them not to be gold, they're not cheap. But this is not something that you're gonna wear all the time. And I would say be careful with, you know, any oil or lotion, anything that you're using that may, you know, make the color come off or whatever. But that's it. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick little view at some new accessories that I purchased, and link everything below for you guys if you guys are interested in them. Again, it does take probably 2.5, maybe 3 weeks to come. If you don't have patience, then they're not for you. If you do, then they are for you. So if you like videos like this, please comment below. And if you stay to the end of this video, please comment Coco, we see you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more style tips at Cocostylesny, and my website cocostylesny.com for styling services, and my blog, guys, cocostylesnyc.com. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.